Hello guys, I am Jalaj. A very welcome to all of you. So today I want to discuss about how to invest in current market scenarios, or rather, what should be the approach in the investing in the current market scenarios. So as like we discussed in the earlier video, I talked about how to pick the stocks, how to like mostly focus on industry leader. So just to recap what we discussed earlier. So I moreover like I focused on to select the companies which are having low P, low debt, and which are working on low light asset model. So light asset model is nothing like a rocket science. It's just like the company which are not investing much in infrastructure or in machines or which require a lot of huge amount of money. So the companies are such as TCS, the IT companies, or moreover like the company which like FMCG companies, like they don't have much of the uh, heavy investment. So the companies like real estate, these are the companies which are having a huge investment in their working capital or maybe like the previous inventories. So the companies which are having the monopoly in the business and the companies which are not disrupted will be rewarded. And now we will see like what sectors which we discuss. The sectors are mostly about the consumptions, the pharma, chemical monopoly. So these were the sectors which are having less cyclicity. So these sectors, if in case of recession, these sector will not be much of the affected. So, as for the investor, we need to focus on only on the major sectors which are not much cyclic and where the downtrend is less. So, as like I have said earlier, also you will never get a good business at good valuation at good times. So, the investor who are looking for a good business and also for the good times will never able to find the same. So it's better to look for the good business in such a down cycle where like everybody is thinking like India will not be or India or a global as per the global economies, nobody will be able to survive from the COVID-19. So now these are the things which we have to which an investor should do for going forward. So the first and foremost important thing as an investor, you need to believe in the good times. You need to be optimistic. If you are not optimistic, you cannot invest. So investing is something like for the creation of the wealth. So instead of, and the second thing here is, instead of looking for the tips, we should focus on learnings. I have seen a lot of uh, traders or like a short-term investor who keep on asking, sir, where should I invest, or what stocks I should pick for gain in next 1 month or maybe in 2 weeks. So these are the people which are having very less patience. So you should be able to identify the stocks yourself, because then only like investment is worthful. And those people who are thinking that they have missed the rally, don't be disheartened, because like market, as per like my experience goes, I have always seen market has given ample opportunity to exit, and I say same to the for the entry also. So the investor who are thinking they have missed the rally or they might not get a chance to buy at lows or maybe near the lows, so they will get the ample amount, because market correction is always of two types. It first is a time wise correction, and second is the price wise correction. The price wise correction we have already seen a lot, and we have also seen a good rally from the down trend, but the time wise correction has not happened. And I have always seen like time wise in a bull rally is never started without a good time wise correction. So a market should have a good amount of bear rally before starting a new bull rally. Okay, and the fourth thing which is very important in the present time, the stay away from the negative people, the people who want to think that the world is going to end and there's no survival, only no humanity will be living, no everybody will be dying of the COVID-19. You should be stay away from those people, because these are the people who will make your life more harsh. If you have invested ample amount of money, to stay invested. Why to look for these negative people? Because these are the people who will never invest. Okay, so this is very frank, I'm telling you, these are the people who will make sure that you are thinking this is a great depression of 1929, or maybe the worst kind of scenarios. So you should stay away from these people, complete shutdown. Okay, and the thing is that nobody can predict the future, and even if like these people are able to predict, so why are they are telling to you, or they are telling to media? Because they also don't know how they want to get a TRP, or maybe there's some extra views. So stay away from these people. And as a person, you need to decide if you want to be a gambler who is always looking for excuses, or you want to be an investor. So it is very important you should look for the good investment opportunities as a patient, and be calm. So here are some of the stocks which I discussed earlier, and I'll also a give a link for the link for this Excel. Okay, so I have just randomly given uh, pick the stocks from the Excel will list. The stocks are not picked randomly, obviously. So the stocks are basically which are having low P and are leaders of their industry. And also I have looked upon the sectors which could give good returns in the future. And see, like if within 1 month, the lot of stocks have given almost 30% plus returns. So the investors who are looking for the excuses have already missed a lot of things. So so these are the basic thoughts. Around there were around 60 stocks which I gave earlier. So some of the stocks I have not given the returns. So just because of the time, lack of time. But still, like as like you can see the Maruti is an industry leader, and we all know, all like everybody knows Maruti is an industry leader. That how many cars they produce annually, and everybody is using the you will, out of like 10 cars at least, you will be able to find 5 to 6 Maruti cars. Hero Honda is already a market leader. So they have given 38, 40, 48 returns. So for example, Titan is like not a consumer essential, but still like they are having a good market share in the uh, in the consumer in the jewelry business. So these are the companies which where you should focus. So see, like in the Whirlpool, it's MNC companies. So nobody can like say like Whirlpool is going to end after the like COVID-19 is finished. So these are the companies where you should look for the investment. So life insurance sector, like I've in the most of videos I've already said I'm bullish in the life insurance sector, because these are the sector which is underpenetrated. See, and the mutual fund business. So and I've already told, like in the coming days ahead, not maybe coming years ahead, a lot of people will be focusing on the mutual fund for their wealth creation, for their all savings. So these are the companies sectors where one should invest. And you can look moreover by your own. You can choose because we all always we already know a lot of things about like which are the sector leaders. And still, if you don't know, like these are the companies which are having the largest market capitalization. See, HDFC Life is having market capitalization of around more than 1 lakh crore, and ICICI Prudential, I guess 50 70,000 crore. So these are the already industry leaders. So these are the companies which where one should look for investment, rather like investing in some penny stock or something, like, because here like, at least you will get some surety, like you are putting your worth in some worthy companies. So now I will discuss what is the market outlook for the coming time. So as like we have already seen that there is a lot of uncertainty in during due to COVID-19, and like most of the countries have already going through the complete lockdown phase. So in the lockdown, like only essential items are getting circulated, or are able to, like consumer are able to buy. Rest all the things which are non essential are not able, like with like cinema, theater, like traveling, or some leisure activities. These are the areas where like no revenue generation is happening. So uncertainty, a lot of uncertainty is already there. And I think like COVID-19 is likely to become a part of our daily life, because these are the things like which where the complete lockdown is happened, and like we are seeing the very high growth in the COVID-19 figures. But I think like COVID-19 can prevail for next one, what, like maybe 2 years, till like vaccination is not created. And as per like the global scenario is concerned, the US China trade wars may get intensified, because I think like a whole world think China may be responsible for the circulation of this, maybe they can say it is a bioweapon, but I'm not sure. But still like maybe trade retaliation can be there. So this kind of thing can be uh, intensified. And other thing which you should look like lot of companies are presently like investors also don't know where the supply chain can be disrupted. So say like in for the Tata Motors, like they, due to complete shutdown, their major sales and their major manufacturing plants also got disrupted due to like some connection with the China, like the major sales were happening in the China. So some of the sectors which we know, and some of the sectors and the companies which we all which you don't know. So as an investor, if you're looking for investment, we should look for the companies where the supply chain will not be disrupted, and only the times will tell where and how much and by how much figure quantity, like where a supply chain is getting disrupted. Okay, so here are the some COVID-19 world stats. So as per like 5th, 3rd of May, we can see like we have around 34 lakh cases, and around 2 lakhs, more than 2 lakh deaths. So as per like this figure might can increase, because the currently like mark all of the countries, most of the countries like going through complete lockdown. And we, no one can be actual predict like where this virus may end, because unless and until like corona vaccine is created, you cannot say like this is going to end. Okay. And as for the India goes, the India is already crossing 40,000 cases as of 3rd May. And I think that like we can easily cross 50,000 in next one, like 15 days. So now the final thoughts. So as the investor, like you can only decide where you want to go. So a lot of people will tell like this might not be the good time. You should wait for Nifty to be 7,000, or maybe 7,500, or maybe 6,000. You, who knows? Like no one can predict the future. You can only draw the charts, and after the thing has happened, then only you can come to know. So as per like my views goes, like you should be a patient investor instead of being a impatient investor, because like impatient investor will not get anything. So either you a trader, either you a investor. So if you are want to be an investor, you should be a patient investor, and stop looking for the tips and records from anyone from across the Twitter or maybe the YouTube. Try to decide the investment opportunity by yourself, or may ideas you can take, but still like you should not focus on getting the tips from anyone. Okay. So with that, like I'd like to conclude. I think you would like this video. If something is, if you have some any questions, you can drop down in the comment section. Okay. Thank you.